Let's go, guys. Right now, I'm gonna teach you guys an easy way to solo on the end A. If you're a beginner, this lesson is especially for you.
Something that's good for me.
Watch how I solo. Listen to this, guys. Listen closely. That's right, guys. Today we're learning how to solo using the blues scale. So remember, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. Leave a comment, guys. Support this channel. So what's our chord progression? Starts off with a C major, then an F major, then a G major, then an F major. So it's a C, F, G, F. Basic and A. Guys, what is our scale? All the white keys. All the white keys. Beautiful, guys. So let's get started. So guys, whether it's on C, F, or G, you can still use any part of your blues scale. So that's the beauty of that. If you're a beginner, this is one of the secrets to really soloing beautifully on the keyboard. And it's good if you're landing on certain notes in your progression as you use the blues scale. So guys, what is the blues scale? You have C, D, E flat, E, G, A, and C again. So let's play the beat. We're gonna just use those notes. So let's go ahead and solo using those notes in the blues scale. I have tons of lessons on this, but I wanted to reiterate that you can solo using the blues scale. A lot of the greats, that's what they're doing. So let's get right on it, guys. So I wasn't doing nothing but the blues scale. So now let's try something different. Let's add our chords. Let's add the regular progression and then implement the blues scale around it. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So we're going. You guys get it. You guys can just implement that. The blues scale is an easy way to start soloing, especially in the ending. So I want you guys to go ahead and start playing around with this and maneuvering with it. Remember, if you need sounds, don't hesitate to go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Now this is Roland Blase signing out. Bye.